Hey YouTube, just picked up this 2000 Yamaha Blaster the other day and figured I'd do a little video of my progress. Gonna get it fixed up, looking pretty nice. Not pristine condition or showroom condition or nothing like that, but we're gonna give it some TLC, clean up all this dirt and oil all over it and fix some of these bent up parts, get some new tires, all that stuff on it. It's running when I picked it up, cranks up easily, one kick, has good compression. The problem was the rear end is completely worn out. It's gonna need a lot of love. Take a look in there. Oof. So those bearings wore out and they just kept on. This thing wouldn't even ride whenever I picked it up. The guy said the chain needed to be adjusted. But then I looked at it and I moved the axle and it was just completely moving back and forth, and I pulled it back and I was like, look dude, the chain's tight now. It's yeah, anyway, we're gonna get it looking nice. I've ordered some new tires for it, ordered a new carb, much stuff, new chain, all that stuff. Here's the axle. I got it looking really nice though. It was super grimy. All this was able to be salvaged. It was just the carrier here that needs to be replaced. I've ordered a new one of these and some seals. This is how grimy everything was looking. It was pretty much the whole bike looks like this. So it's gonna be a fun little project. I've pretty much ordered all the parts I need to get it running. Still a few more things I want to order to make it just look nice, but the important stuff is ordered and on its way. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of these old ugly bubble looking tires and get some good looking ones on there. Anyway, I guess we'll see you for part 2. We'll probably have all these plastics cleaned up, have this bike a little more cleaned up, probably do a couple videos on this. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.